Right.
Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome to SGN and I am Agam Shah. We are as discussing the course fundamentals of power system. Today we are going to discuss about the general view of any generating station or any generating power plant. So what is a generating power plant? As we have discussed, the electricity is generated, the electric power is generated. So the way in which the electric power is generated is known as any generating station. Where it is generated, so it is what we call generating station. So coming to any general view of any generating station, so energy from, so first of all we cannot make any power, so we need some power to convert it in any another form of power. So we take any type of power to convert in any other form of electric power, that is here we take electric power. So energy from power source we need, then it is fed to prime mover. What is prime mover we are going to discuss. Then it is directly coupled with alternator, and then through alternator RYB, that is in three phase, we are going to transmit this system. And this is what we call any general view of any generating power station. It can be solar, it can be wind. That is we are going to discuss. So what is prime mover? As we have as I have told that we are going to discuss about prime mover. So what is a prime mover? So steam turbine, what is we are going to discuss in next video. The wind turbine, anything or anything which rotates the shaft is called a prime mover. So the shaft is rotated, which is directly coupled to alternator. So what is alternator? So it is a part of any power system that converts mechanical form of energy of prime mover to electrical form of energy. So here prime mover, like in thermal plant we have used prime mover, steam turbine. So the steam turbine we have used in thermal power plant. So that is what we call a prime mover, and that is directly coupled with alternator in order to rotate the shaft and generate the electricity in alternator. And then it is the further we have discussed in next videos. So basic types of power plant. So what are the types of power plant? So thermal power plant, wind power plant. So here wind energy is used to generate electricity or electric power. Hydro power plant, that the water's potential energy we use to generate the electricity or electric form of power. Then solar power plant, that is light energy we use. Then nuclear power plant, we use nuclear elements to generate electricity. And then comes the geothermal power plant. So discussing a bit about energy, that is units of energy. uh, First of all, the electricity bill which what comes in our home is in the form of units. So what unit I mean is 1 kilowatt hour. That is what we have used kilowatt power in an hour. So 1 watt hour, first of all discussing about watt hour. So what is watt hour? 1 watt in 1 hour, that is 36 into 10 raised to 5 watt second. That is 36 into 10 raised to 5 joules, or we can tell 860 kilocalories, or we can say at 1898 CHU, or we can say 3418 BTU. So volt second or joule are one and the same thing. That is voltage in volts into current into time in seconds. What that is unit of any electrical energy. So this is the whole for this tutorial. We will be discussing thermal power plant and other types of power plant in upcoming series of structure fundamental of power system. So be with us and happy learning. Thank you.